Hello, we are group number 144 who are doing the 65 Student Studies Service Learn with the community by Airlangga University. Our group consists of Dean Rizkula Rizdayanto, Dewi Kumala Putri, Tiffany Febianti Ardin, Salsabila Putri Amelia, Farah Rizkika Gaizani, Rinda Andriana, Digna Kurnia Lestari, Sevia Margareta Ayu Pratiwi, Sinta Wijayanti Dwi Muria, dan Iqbal Umar Effendi. Student Study Service are student activities organized by the campus in the community service curriculum in realizing the three dharma perguruan tinggi, namely learning, research, and community service. Students who are part of the intellectual community in this country are expected to be able to contribute to development in this country. The world of education, social, public health, and welfare are still classic problems that need to be taken seriously. Student study service activities are a form of education by providing fieldwork experience for students to live and understand the problems that exist in the midst of social life outside the campus, and directly teach students to identify social problems and try to be a solution in the midst of these problems. By carrying out student study service located on Candirejo Genteng Street, Genteng Village, Genteng District, Surabaya City, our group has the opportunity to take part in realizing the Sustainable Development Goals or SDGs. SDGs provide a shared blueprint for peace and prosperity for people and the planet now and into the future. At each heart are the 17 Sustainable Development Goals, which are an urgent call for action by all countries, developed and developing in a global partnership. In our student study service, we focus on 4 goals, namely SDG 3, good health and well-being, SDG 4, quality education, SDG 8, decent work and economic growth, and the last SDG 11, sustainable cities and communities. SDG 3 aims at assuring healthy lives and promoting well-being for all at all age. The disruption caused by the COVID-19 pandemic has now held progress and even reversed some gains made. According to a recent survey, substantial disruption persists more than a year into the pandemic, with about 19% of countries and territories still reporting one or more disruption to essential health service. SDG 4 aims at assuring inclusive and equitable quality education and promoting lifelong learning opportunity for all. The impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on schooling is a generational catastrophe. School closure caused by the pandemic have had devastating consequences for children's learning and well-being. SDG 8 promotes sustained, inclusive, and sustainable economic growth, full and productive employment, and decent work for all. The pandemic has caused the worst global economic recession since the Great Depression and has had a massive impact on working times and incomes. In 2020, 8.8% of global working hours were lost compared to the figure for the fourth quarter of 2019, which is equivalent to 255 million full-time jobs and approximately 4 times greater than the hours lost during the global financial crisis in 2009. SDG 11 makes cities and human settlement inclusive, safe, resilient, and sustainable. To make it easier for us to realize these 4 goals, we divide our group into 4 fields, namely field of education, field of economics, field of environmental, and field of health. Field of education aims to provide education to the residents of Genteng Candirejo in order to increase knowledge through several activities, namely 1. Donate a number of books to be placed in the Genteng Candirejo library. 2. Hold an egg painting competition. 3. Conducting teaching for elementary school children. Field of economics aims to provide education through practical material session to MSME owners about the importance of digitalization through online platforms so that marketing can reach more consumers. To achieve this, several activities has been carried out, such as socialization of the use of digital marketing through social media, namely Instagram. 2. Revitalization of social media, namely Instagram, belonging to MSME Coordinator at Genteng Canirejo. Field of Environment aims to provide environmental empowerment around Jalan Genteng Canirejo through several activities, namely 1. Revitalization of fish ponds, 2. Rhythmic exercise, 3. Community cleanup, 4. Compile an inventory of Genteng Canirejo herbal plants. Field of Health aims to provide education to residents of Jalan Genteng Canirejo in order to increase awareness of a clean and healthy lifestyle first during the COVID-19 pandemic. To achieve this, several activities have been carried out, such as 1. Socialization of dengue fever prevention through larva eradication. 2. Dissemination of Omicron variant COVID-19 awareness and application of 3M. 3. Dissemination of traditional treatment for mild family ailments. 4. Participate in integrated service post activities in Genteng Canirejo. Here is the documentation of the student study service activities that we have carried out. Thank you for watching.